The next section covers questions 1 to 4. Let's take a look at the introduction. It says, the town of San Simon charges its residents for trash pickup and water usage on the same bill. Each month, the city charges a flat fee for trash pickup and a fee of 25 cents per gallon for water used. In January, one resident used 44 gallons of water and received a bill of $16. Number 1. If X is the number of gallons of water used during the month and Y represents the bill amount in dollars, write a point X1, Y1. Let's take a look at this. Now remember, it's going to be how many gallons of water, comma, how much it cost. Well, this person used 44 gallons of water, so that's my X. And it cost him $16, so that's my Y. It says, what does 0.25 per gallon represent? You're right, that represents my slope. 0.25 represents the slope of the line. Use point slope form to write an equation that represents the bill cost Y in terms of the number of gallons of water X used in a particular month. Now recall Y minus Y1 equals M parentheses X minus X1. This is my X1, Y1. And this is my M. So I'm going to plug those in accordingly. So I have Y minus 16 equals 0.25 for my M, parentheses, X minus X1, which was represented by 44. Number 4 asks us to write the equation in item 3 in slope-intercept form. And what does the y-intercept represent? Well, I'm going to do this math off to the side. I have y minus 16 equals 0.25 x minus 44. First thing I want to do is I want to use the distributive property. So I'm left with y minus 16 equals 0.25 x minus all right, we have 0.25 times negative 44 gives me negative 11. So I'm going to put minus 11. Now, I'm ultimately trying to solve for y. What would I do from here to get y by itself? Yes, we're going to add 16 to both sides. So y equals 0.25x. We've got negative 11 plus 16 gives me a positive 5. So my equation is y equals 0.25x plus 5. Now, recall that this is my m, which is my slope, and This represents my B, which is my y-intercept. My y-intercept is 0, comma 5. What do we think that this 5 represents? Well, remember that 0 is x, and x represents gallons. So for 0 gallons, the bill is $5. What do we think that $5 means? If you recall, it says that the city charged a flat fee for trash pickup. So this $5 represents the trash pickup fee. So we could use 100 gallons of water. It's not going to affect the fact that I'm going to have to pay $5 regardless of how many gallons I use. On to the next set of questions.